A very good morning, class. We have already started yesterday with lesson number 7 of our secretarial practice. Before that, we have finished lesson number 4, issue of debentures. We are already started with the introduction part related to correspondence with debenture holders. So we have already covered the topic and saw what are the precautions the secretary should take while corresponding with the debenture holders of the company. Today we'll be focusing on the specimen letters and seeing how the secretary writes the letter related to certain topics or circumstances under which he or she has to enter into communication and correspondence with the debenture holders. So class, in this particular specimen letters, we'll be covering 4 types of letters. Number 1, informing the participants about the allotment of debentures. Informing the participants about payment of interest by 2 ways, by issuing interest warrant and electronic payment of interest. The third one is letter related to conversion of debentures into equity shares. And the fourth one is letter relating to redemption of debentures. So class will be focusing today on the very first letter, that is you are informing the participants about the allotment of debentures. Before we move on to the specimen letters, just wanted to ask you certain questions related to the topic. The topic is regarding allotment of debentures. So before we move on to the main topic, let us first revise some of the basic questions that we have already covered in the previous chapters. What is the meaning of debentures? Do you all remember, class? Answer to yourselves. What type of capital is debentures? Next one. What is a debenture certificate or DC? When is the DC issued to the debenture holders? What is a debenture trust deed? So class, I hope you all are aware of all the questions which I have asked you all right now. So we'll just have a quick 1-sentence answers for all these questions. So what is the meaning of debentures? It is nothing but acknowledgement by a company for debt. What type of capital is debentures? It is a borrowed or debt capital. What is a debenture certificate? It is given basically to the debenture holders as a evidence or proof to title to debentures. When is the DC issued to the debenture holders? Within 6 months from the date of allotment of debentures. And what is a debenture trust deed? It is a contract between the company and the DTs. Remember class, debenture trustees, showing the powers, duties and rights of the debenture trustees and also showing the interests of the DHs. DHs, debenture holders. So class, with this revision, I hope you all are now ready to go to the first letter that we are going to study today. Letter of allotment of debentures. When a company allots the debentures to the applicants, a letter of allotment of debentures is sent to the debenture holders. This letter of allotment is to be preserved by the debenture holders as he gets the debenture certificate in exchange of this particular letter. So all those applicants who had applied for the debentures of the company, whoever has been allotted the debenture, all of them gets letter of allotment. This we have already covered in lesson number 6 also. When the shares were allotted to the participant, they are informed by letter of allotment. So the participant has to preserve that letter of allotment because on that basis only he or she will get the debenture certificate. Now what the letter contains? This letter contains details of issue of debentures, that is how many number of debentures were applied and how many debentures are allotted. the distinctive numbers of debentures, how much amount is received, types of debenture, whether it is secured, unsecured, convertible, non-convertible, participating, non-participating, rate of interest, maturity date, etc. So let us have a look how the secretary writes the letter to the participants who are allotted the debentures. So this is the proforma, or the way the letter is written. As you can see, and as you know, it starts with the name of the company, Disha Industries Limited, the registered address of the company along with its CIN number, that is corporate identity number. Now this is a listed company. As you can see, the first letter L. On the right side, you have phone number, fax, the reference number. In this case, it is for DH. DH means debenture holders. Website, their email, the date, that is 20 May 2019. After that, the inside address, it is written to Mr. Vijay Mittal. His inside address is given over here, his address related to where he stays and all. Then in the center, you have the subject, allotment of debentures. Dear sir, in response to your application number DI8013 dated 30th April 2019, I am directed by the Board of Directors to inform you that you have been allotted 10% non-convertible secured debentures of ₹100 each. The tenure of debenture is for 5 years. So understood, class? The person had applied and his application number was DI8013. So the secretary is informing on behalf of Board of Directors that the person has been issued 100 debentures, which are 10% non-convertible secured debentures of ₹100 each. So 100 debentures, 100 each. How much amount is received by the company? 10,000 rupees. So the person has purchased 10,000 rupees in the debentures of the company for a period of 5 years, out of which 10% are non-convertible and secured debentures. These debentures are allotted to you as per the board resolution, which was passed at the board meeting held on 16th of May 2019, and as per the terms and conditions of Articles of Association of the company and the debenture trust deed. So the process has been approved and the application also has been accepted, and that is why the person has been allotted the number of debentures as per AOA and debenture trust deed. The details of allotment of debentures are as follows. So these are the details which are given in the letter. The folio number is D90. Number of debentures applied was 100. Number of debentures allotted is also 100. The distinctive number, so which lot is allotted to this particular person from lot number 301 to lot number 400. So this lot of debentures has been allotted to Mr. Vijay Mittal, and the amount received is of 10,000 rupees. The debenture certificate is enclosed herewith. So the debenture certificate also has been sent along with the letter of allotment of debentures. Thanking you, yours faithfully, for Disha Industries Limited, signed by the company secretary, that is Mr. Avinash Natu. Enclosures, you can see the debenture certificate has been attached and sent along with this particular letter. So I hope, class, the letter is very simple to understand and you must have followed how a letter regarding issue of allotment of debentures is being written by the secretary to the debenture holders of the company. So with this, class, we end with our first specimen letter, and I always hope, and as you all know, I have told you all, whenever we are doing any letters related chapter, any correspondence related chapter, you have to practice all the letters 2 to 3 times in your notebook. All right. So topic for tomorrow will be letter number 2. That is, as we have finished the first letter, Tomorrow we'll be focusing on informing the applicant about the payment of interest, which can be done in two ways: by issuing the interest warrant, and second, electronic payment of interest on debentures. So with this class, we stop here for today. Thank you so much for listening. We'll meet tomorrow for the next session of our specimen letter. Till then, take care, stay healthy, keep learning and keep practicing. Thank you so much for listening to me. We stop here for today.